and welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be animating gears. Please take note and do not use this tutorial as a homework reference for any 3D modeling class. It's not what it's built for. Alright, let's start with our tutorial. Open up your program and in object mode, hit Add, Mesh, and Torus. Okay, go down into edit mode, go into face mode. Deselect it by hitting A. Now we want to create our teeth for the gear, so I'm using the C selector, so press C on your keyboard. If you've never used this before, you can play with it if you want. You control the size of the selector tool with your scroll button on your mouse. So keep continuing. Every other group. There you go. We want to create our teeth by extruding, so hit E, then press S and pull outward. Go to your tool panel, which is on the left, where it says Smooth Vertex, and smooth it twice to give the teeth a little bit of shape. We're going to flatten our gear out a bit, so press A to select it, and use the Scale tool to kind of flatten it out a bit. Awesome. Very good. Not too bad. You see I'm in the outliner right now, so what I want to do is take Torus and change it to Gear 1. Alright. Getting in the habit of naming your objects is very important. Now, with the gear in object mode and selected, hit Shift D and pull the copy or the duplicate away and position it as you see in the video. Doing pretty good. You're doing awesome. Okay, what we're going to do next is put a material on it. So we need edit mode. Go to the materials icon, hit new, and choose a diffuse color. And rename the material color, as I'm doing right here, Gear 1. Click on Gear 2, Gear 1.001 in your outliner and rename it Gear 2. Go into edit mode with Gear 2 selected and add a material to it. Hit assign, and there you go. Change material.001 to Gear 2. Very good. Things are working out really well. Select Gear 1 and go into edit mode. What we need to create here is a marker, so follow. Choose a top face, go to the material icon, click the plus sign to add another material, and choose a different color. And remember to click assign to that color. As you see, that face I just did turned red. Do the same thing for Gear 2. Alright, now if you notice our gears are not level. How can we kind of fix this? Well, we're going to go hit N and then go into our properties panel. And we're going to lock X and Y. My pointer and Y are locked. Move it vertically in one direction, which is Z or Z. This is important to read. You might want to stop the video at this time and read that. It's about the ease in and ease out, which is the reason we have the markers here. What you do now is select the object mode, Gear 1, and follow the instructions. At frame 1, you're going to insert the keyframes. Then you're going to move the slider to keyframe 250. Rotate the gear as shown, or insert 360 in the rotation of Z. Okay, and then hit Insert Keyframe. In the object mode, test your animation, hit play. Again, this is not exact by any means. It's just an introduction. I'm going to work on gear 2. So in object mode, select gear 2, and in frame 1, again, insert your keyframes. And again, move your slider to frame 250. You're going to manually rotate this one. So click the rotate tool and manually rotate gear 2 until the blue face marker is under the red face marker. And then insert a keyframe. Again, the reason I have to do that this way is because of the ease in and ease out default that Blender has. It actually takes probably, I think, like maybe about 2 seconds off. Okay, there's a 2-second difference. So you want to insert a keyframe. All right. In object mode, we want to test it by hitting play. And look at that. The ease in and the ease out are synced. You can kind of tell. Do you see how they're approaching really slow here? See how slow, and then it goes. That's the ease in and ease out I'm talking about. You need the graphics editor to fix that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. New tutorials are uploaded every week. And as always, stay strong, stay awesome.